Hello everyone. So in this video I will let you know about the CSRF, that means cross-site request forgery. So how we do that, I will let you know with the example. As you know, I'm always do the cover the topic with the example. So let's start, and here you can see I am using two machine. If I showcase you, so this is my Kali machine, right? And this is attacker machine. Kali is the attacker machine, and the second one is target machine, that is meta exploitable to Linux machine, right? So first we'll go to the Kali Linux and try to open the browser. So you can see here, if I from starting, if I enter the IP of my metasploit machine, which I have showcased you, this is the metasploit machine. So I have typed just ID on this address bar. So this is my, like you can say, local server where five website is hosted on this server. So that means I can test these five website for the testing purpose. You can also make this local environment on your VM. So I make this in my VM virtual machines. These are the virtual machines in VMware. So for example, a DVWA is a website and this is your target. So how you can like use CSRF, right? So just click on this. So for now, currently, this is there are multiple tabs where you can go on this application. So there is a tab. This is CSRF. Basically, guys, these website basically intentionally make for the testing purpose, right? So that's why there is the tab name is the something like one level, right? Vulnerability. So this is the tab here, and the security is low currently. So we will start with the low, then we will go to the other things, right? So here is we can see there is a new password and confirm new password. That means I have login with the admin password. If you open this, so you will get, and you can see here username is login. So I am already login with the admin. But if I need to change the password, then I can change my password from here. So guys, this is a form you can see, right? If you inspect here and go to on this form, so you will see this is the form, right? And if I copy this form code here from here, like copy outer HTML. So I have copied this and I am pasting this into a txt file, right? We will change the name. So for example, this is the txt file and I have copied the code, and in this code you will see there is a input text box and there are two input text box. For the one is the username and second is the password. Through that we will achieve that vulnerability, right? So we don't need this txt, we need the html file because we are making the form. So first I will save this, control s and exit, and now I'm changing this name, whatever name you want you can put. I change form.html because we will make this as a html and rename, right? You can see the form, this page is changed into the html. If you try to open this, so I think it cannot open directly. Yeah, from here you can open this Firefox, right? And here, so you can see this is the same form here, right? But guys, we have to do one more change here. Sorry, if you go to here, so copy this path from here till the CSRF and minimize this and go to again and open this in edit. I think open other application. We can edit that from the terminal, but I don't want from here. I just want to edit. Okay, we can change again txt. Okay, then I will double click on this, so I am able to. So guys, this is the input you can see here, and this is the other input you can see, and this is the button where we when we click the submit, so where request will go, so you can see there is a action, there is a hash, but we need some path where it will go. So I will remove and paste that part. So you can see I have paste and control save, right? I have saved that, and again I will make this as a HTML file, rename and HTML, right? And okay, and open with the Firefox. So you can see here is the same page I am showing, new password, confirm new password, and I can type here anything. So for example, if I type here new password, whatever you want you can type, and you have to, guys, once you click on change, so request will transfer on that page where we copy the URL path, right? That means we have copy path from here, so that means request will transfer from here to here, and password will be changed, because in cross-site script, server will not verify here, and website security is currently is low, so that's why server will not verify that, and it will change the password with the for the current login user, right? If I change here, so click just change, you can see my request transferred, and you can see password is changed. So that means whatever I type the password from that page and I click on change, so that request behave something like, it's look like request going from here. So that's why server make something confused, and it will it change the our password, right? So from that type you can done the CSRF. So this is the very basic example. I will let you know in advance, because user will not going to simply type this password here. You can see in this form, if you open this, so user will not going to simply click on this change button or something that. So I will let you know with the advance. So in this video this is all, and you can subscribe my channel to get the upcoming latest hacking tutorial video, and I will provide the my playlist link in description, so you will get all video and all tutorial regarding the hacking. So that's all guys, thank you.